Hi, my little bees and bookworms. I hope everybody's doing well. I just want to go over certain things because we haven't been in the library. The days of the week, because we used to practice that too. The days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we'll do the months. Ready? The 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And who you're seeing right now is my cat Panda. I'm going to read a book called Don't Push the Button. The person who did the beautiful drawing and who wrote the story is Bill Cotter. When it was published, or when it was born, we'll find out right away. Hold on. It was, let's see, 2013. Okay, so the name of the book is Don't Push the Button. Don't push the button. To Mom and Dad for always encouraging me to even when I wasn't pushing their buttons. Ready? Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to the book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we push the button. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No, one is looking. You should give it the button a little push. Oh no, I'm yellow. Push it again. Eeks! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Eek! Now there's two of me. Push the button times. A bunch of times. Look how many they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it continues. Shake the book to get rid of the extra Larrys. So let's shake the book. Ready? Did we get rid of them? Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here, to scratch Larry's belly to get him back to normal. So your belly's here, right? So let's touch his belly here. So we're going to rub his belly. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh, yay! That tickles. Oh my, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes. The end. Bye, guys. I hope to see you soon. Miss you all. Me and Panda say bye.